Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to discuss about isometric view diagram. One isometric view diagram. Question. Read the question. A hexagonal prism of base side 30 mm and axis length 60 mm, resting on HP on its base. Resting on HP on its base. With a side of base parallel to VP. Draw the isometric view of the prism. So, base resting on HP, hexagonal prism of base resting on HP. And two of the base sides, one of the base sides parallel to VP. So, first at the given position, draw the top and front view of the hexagonal prism. Draw the XY axis first using 2H pencil. Okay, and then draw the top view. How to draw the top view? By using 2H pencil, draw a circle of equal to the base side radius. Radius equal to the base side. 30 mm as radius. 30 mm as radius. Draw a circle first. By using 2H pencil, 30 mm as radius, draw a circle. And then two of the base sides parallel to VP. So draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line using 2H pencil. Draw a horizontal line. Suppose the question, two of the base sides perpendicular to VP means draw a vertical line. Okay. Now draw a horizontal line from the intersecting point, two intersecting point as center. Any one intersecting point as center. The same 30 mm as radius, draw the arc both the side. By using the compass, this cutting point as center, 30 mm as radius, draw the arc both the side. By using compass, 30 mm as radius, this point as intersecting point as center, 30 mm as radius, draw the arc both the side. Similarly, this intersecting point as center, 30 mm radius, draw the arc both the side. Now join all the points to get the hexagon. Join all the points to get the hexagon of base side 30 mm and axis length and base side 30 mm. Okay. Now complete the hexagonal prism. Right. Hexagonal prism. So prism having two bases, top base and bottom base. So give the name, two names. For top base A, B, C, D, E, F. And bottom base P, Q, R, S. T, U. Now project the front view from the top. Project the front view from the top. By using 2H pencil, draw the projection line from the top. Okay, our axis length equal to 60 mm. So draw the axis line from the base. The height of the axis line equal to 60 mm. So draw the axis line up to 60 mm height. How to draw the axis line? By using 2H pencil. By using 2H pencil, draw a lengthy line equal to 5 to 6 mm length and one short line 2 to 3 mm length. In between the lines, the gap 1 mm. Extend up to 60 mm. Take correct dimension. Using correct dimension, take 60 mm as axis cut. Now complete the front view. Complete the front view. The given question is isometric view. So by using true scale only draw the diagram. No need to convert into isometric scale. For isometric projection only convert into isometric scale. Now the front and top view completed. Mark the dimensions. Base side 30 mm. The axis side 60 mm. Mark the dimensions by using 2H pencil. Now, how to draw the isometric view? Now the front and top view completed. Now go to the isometric view. First draw the two isometric axes. Both the side inclined by using protractor. Take 30 degree from both the side. Draw the two isometric axes. Draw the two isometric axes. The inclination of isometric axis from horizontal base 30 degree. Okay. Now draw a rectangular box. Draw a rectangular box, enclose the hexagon. Draw a rectangular box by using 2H pencil. It is not object, so by using 2H pencil, draw a rectangular box. Enclose the hexagon. The line touching the base edge and corner only of the hexagon, and base edge and the corner of the hexagon only. Now draw the hexagon. Completed. Rectangular box completed. Now give the name to the corners of the rectangular box. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first point, the intersecting point of two isometric axes taken as 1. Now 1 to 2 distance as radius by using compass. 1 to 2 distance as radius. 1 to measure the distance 1 to 2 by using compass, and then draw the arc. 1 to 2 distance as radius, draw the arc. Okay. Similarly, 1 to 4 distance as radius. 1 to 4 distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point 4. Mark the point 4. Similarly, 4 to 3 distance as radius. 4 to 3 distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point, draw the arc, and then 2 to 3 distance as radius. The intersecting point is 3. 2 to 3 distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point 3. Mark the point 3. Now complete the rectangular box. Complete the rectangular box by using 2H pencil. By using 2H pencil, complete the rectangular box. Now, after completion of this rectangular box, draw the hexagon, base hexagon. How to draw the base hexagon? From any one corner as the reference point, take, for example, now draw the base point P. How to draw the point P on PQRSTU? For example, how to draw the point P? Mark the point P. Take the nearest reference point, corner point as reference point. Take the distance as radius, draw the arc. One center by using compass, point 1 as center, the nearest point, the point P as radius, draw the arc. And then next, how to mark the point Q? The nearest corner as center. one center, Q distances radius, draw the arc. Mark the point Q. So first point P, second point Q. Now next point R. How to mark the point R? The nearest corner 2 as center, R distance as C of R distance as radius. Draw the arc. Mark the point R. Similarly, how to mark the point S? Nearest center, anyone, 3 or 2, any one corner point as center, the distance as radius. By using compass, draw the arc. Mark the point S. And then next, how to mark the point T? 3, corner 3 is center, then point T as radius, 3 distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point T. And then similarly, corner 4 center, U distance as radius, draw the arc, mark the point U. Okay, U. Now join all the points to get the base of hexagon, isometric view of base of hexagon. Now by using 2H pencil only join all the lines, because some edges are invisible. Okay, so first by using 2H pencil complete the hexagon. Okay, the base over. Now from each corner of the rectangular box, draw a 60-degree length line, perpendicular line, because our axis length equal to 60 mm. So draw a perpendicular line from each corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, draw a vertical line. The length of the line equal to 60 mm. The length of the line equal to 60 mm. Okay, the length of the line equal to 60 mm. By using true scale, true measurement, draw the 60 mm length line from all the points. Straight line, should be straight line, perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line from each point. Draw a perpendicular line. The length of the line equal to 60 mm. Okay, the length of the line equal to 60 mm. Right, the length of the line equal to 60 mm. After completion, join all the corners. By using 2H pencil, join the all corners. Okay, join all corners by using 2H pencil. Now, as usual, the same procedure of bottom base. Complete the top base. Corner 1 to point B distance as radius and A distance as radius. Draw the arc. Mark the point A and B. A and B, and mark the point C. Mark the point D. Take nearest corner as center. The distance as radius. Draw the arc. And mark the point E and mark the point F. Now join all the points. This one A, capital A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now join all the points to get the top base of hexagon. Okay. See, in this case, the bottom edges UT and TS and SR, UT and TS and SR are not visible. So, no need to dark by using H pencil. Leave it as 2H. Okay. F of U, F U. Should be a straight line. Okay. So top base fully visible. Bottom base edges UT and TS, SR invisible. So no need to dark the UT, TS and SR. And bottom base PU and PQ, QR visible edges. So dark the object. Now the isometric view of the hexagonal prism completed. Isometric view of the hexagonal prism completed. Okay. Dear students, if any doubt, ask me through my mobile or in comment box, ask your doubt. In next video, we will discuss about the same isometric view or isometric projection. Okay, thank you.